In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Signal subscription on MetaTrader 5. First and foremost, you're going to need to sign into your MQL5.community account. If you're not yet signed up, go ahead and create an account first. But assuming you have one, just enter your credentials and log in. It's important to make sure you're entering your details correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you're on the platform, you'll see a variety of options that can be a bit overwhelming at first, especially if you're new to MetaTrader 5. But don't worry, we'll take this one step at a time. Once you're logged in, you'll want to look for the Signal tab. Typically, you'll find this among the main navigation options on the dashboard. The Signal section is essentially a hub for selecting among the various trading signals available. These signals can be really useful if you're following trends or guides from professional traders, but if you've decided it's not for you anymore, let's continue forward. Next, you'll click on My Subscription. Now, this is where you'll have a clear view of all the Signal subscriptions you're currently following or have signed up for. This layout is designed to help you manage your subscriptions effectively, giving you an at-a-glance view of the active signals directly impacting your trading activities. You should be able to see your current subscription listed conveniently under this section. It may have the name of the signal provider or another identifying label, depending on the specifics of what you've subscribed to. Hover over your subscription to make sure it's the right one you wish to unsubscribe from. Now, here's the crucial part. Click on your subscription. This action will bring you to a more detailed page with specific information regarding that particular signal. It's essential to ensure you've selected correctly because unsubscribing will terminate your access to all future signals from that subscriber unless you choose to resubscribe later. Finally, you will see the option to unsubscribe. Click Unsubscribe, and you may have to confirm your decision via a prompt. Just to make sure this is indeed what you want to do, after you've confirmed, your subscription to that signal will be effectively cancelled. No more signals will be sent from that particular subscription, and you won't incur any more charges moving forward. However, be aware that some services might not offer a refund for cancellations, so it's wise to check the terms beforehand. And that's it. In just a few steps, you have successfully unsubscribed from a signal on MetaTrader 5. Remember, you can always resubscribe or explore other signals if you change your mind or find a different subscription that better suits your trading strategy. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful for you today. Thank you for watching, and